Hi there, hope you're all doing well. My copy of Halo Flashpoint has arrived, so it's time to get painting up my fire teams. Since I got Chief as part of my pre-order, it's only right that I start off with him. He was black and white zenithally primed, and to get started I used Death Reaper for all of the Undersuit. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. With the Undersuit base coated now, I grabbed Emerald Green and got started on all of those armor panels. To bring in all of the recesses and darken down the mini a little, I washed everything with Oblivion black wash. Some of the panels darkened down a little bit more than I'd liked, so I've gone over them again with Emerald Green just to bring them back up. Starting to bring up some more of the armor panels that would be getting hit by the light, I went over them with orc hide. To get some edges highlighted onto the armor, I grabbed olive green and went around just a few edges, mostly towards the top of the mini. Putting the greens together now a little more, I washed the armor with military shader. Now the armor is finished, I started bringing up the undersuit using Dungeon Stone Grey for the mid-tone of all the parts in the light. For the edge highlight on the undersuit, I went with pale grey and just brought a few bits up. Moving on to the sword and the panels on the base, I start off with a base coat of Eldar blue, which is more translucent than I thought it would be, so it actually needed a few coats to get up to opacity. Getting the scratchy energy effect on the sword, I start off by dry brushing some Gigawatt blue. Pushing the sword to be brighter towards the edges and the tip, I added another dry brush of Ion blue. To finish off the sword and the 117 on his chest, I went with an edge highlight of white. Since I had some on my brush spell at the end as well, I do a small dry brush at the tip of the blade, just to finish off the gradient. For the base now, I used Scabbard brown for all of the rocky parts, just leaving those panels on there. Getting a little bit of variation onto the rocks, I quickly dry brush some Manticore Ochre over them. I'm not that fussed if I get a little on the feet, as I want to put some pigments on the base anyway. To get started on the metallics, I grabbed Heirloom gold and just got that visor added in. For the remaining metal parts, I used blue steel, which is the sword handle and the panels on the base, just leaving that blue in the sculpted pattern. Added some warmth to the visor and the base, I gave a quick wash of Archaic Sepia wash. And that will be it for Master Chief. I'm not too sure on the armor. I think I could probably do better if I added a bit more planning and just went over it again. But for now, he looks like Chief, and that's good enough for me to play games with him. The sword, however, came out better than I expected, and I'm probably going to try this method on some other swords in the future. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You could also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on, or just hang out and chat about hobbies if you like. For those of you looking to pick up Halo Flashpoint or just restock your painting supplies, there is an affiliate link to Wayland Games in the description. To get a closer look at this mini, check out my Instagram page. If you enjoyed the video or found it useful, don't forget to drop a like or subscribe for more. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.